Welcome to Golden Software's video training for Grapher 12. Grapher is a powerful 2D and 3D graphing software package. In this video, I will explain how data should be arranged and formatted in order to create graphs in Grapher. I will be using Grapher's worksheet window to view and edit the data so that it is formatted and arranged in a way that Grapher can use. To open the data file in the worksheet, click File, Open. Select the data file and click Open. The original data is in rows, with the titles in column A. Grapher reads data by column, so this data must be transposed before it can be plotted. To transpose the data, highlight all of the data by clicking the button between column header A and row header 1. Then, click the Cells, Data, Transpose command. The data columns will become rows, and the rows will become columns. Now that the data is in columns, we can see category 2 in column C contains numbers, but the numbers are left justified in the cells. Normally, this indicates the numbers are formatted as text instead of a number. This can be verified by clicking in one of the cells. In the box at the top, you see a single quotation mark before the number. This confirms that these numbers are formatted as text. We need to convert these text cells to numbers. Highlight the data that needs to be reformatted by clicking on the column C header. Click the Cells, Data, Text to Number command. The numbers in the column are now formatted as numbers, so they are right justified in the cell and they no longer have the leading quotation mark. In Grapher, the default label format for the plot is determined by the label format in the worksheet. Setting the label format in the worksheet allows you to display the labels in the plot exactly as you want. The cell formatting is also used for text that is linked to a specific worksheet cell. To reformat dates or times, highlight the data in cells A2 through A13. Click the Cells, Format, Format Cells command. The Format Cells dialog will open. Type a new format into the Date-Time Format box, or click the ellipses button to open the Date-Time Format Builder dialog. Select M/D/YY from the predefined Date-Time Formats drop-down list and click Insert. M/D/YY appears in the Date-Time Format box at the top of the dialog. Click OK and this format appears in the Date-Time Format box in the Format Cells dialog. Click OK to apply this change and see the dates in column A formatted in M/D/YY format. Another important formatting practice for data is to have it in sorted order. Order is important in Grapher because data is plotted in the exact order it appears in the worksheet. The dates in column A are out of order, so we will use the sort command to reorder these dates and related data. Highlight all data in the worksheet. Highlighting all of the data guarantees that all of the columns for a given row will still be in the same order after sorting. If we were to highlight only column A, then only column A would be sorted while the rest of the data remained ordered as it is now. Click the Cells, Data, Sort command. The Sort dialog will open. The Sort dialog allows data to be sorted in ascending or descending order using up to 3 columns. Since we only want to sort by the dates in column A, we will leave the Sort First By drop-down list set to column A, and we will leave Sort Next By and Sort Last By empty. We want the oldest dates at the top, so we will leave the Sort First By section set to ascending. Finally, since our data has a header row that we want to leave at the top of the data, we will check the box next to Labels in First Row. Click OK to sort the data. Now that the data is set up correctly, plots can easily be created from this data. You can create a graph directly from this worksheet by highlighting the first 4 columns and clicking the Graphs, Create, Basic, Line Plot command. With that, your data has been successfully reformatted so that you can create a graph in Grapher. This concludes the video training for how to format data in Grapher. If you have any additional questions, please contact Golden Software.